Hello.
The fuck are you doing in here, fool?
I got in. Spare key.
Bro, that's a wheel lock, bro. You ain't fooling no one.
Spare key. Is that cold start?
Yeah, quiet, huh?
It's so quiet.
You're so dark, bro.
Thank you. I got a 10.
You know 10?
10, you know 10?
Comment
If you guys know where that is from, I will send you a sticker if we still have some. We still have a sticker?
Yeah.
First one to comment that movie. 10, you know, 10. I'll send you a sticker.
We're gonna start the day off by going to my uncle's house. We're picking up some GTR fuel injectors. We're gonna be talking about pretty much what we're gonna be doing to Martin's G35 and pretty much why. Yep, we'll show them right now. Pretty much why we've been so MIA on YouTube and Instagram, and just there's so much things going on. We're gonna go more into depth, but right now we just want to start off our day on a good note because E85 life.
Let's just go with that E85 life.
So this is my uncle's GTR. Why is everyone buying nice cars? We can't even afford them. But yeah, this thing's really nice. It just got wrapped. It doesn't even look like wrapped too. And it's like an off-white. It's not like a full white. But yeah, this doesn't look like wrap at all. That's freaking really nice. And then this is his daily, which is an Evo. I don't know how much is it pushing now. They're nice too. Ooh. You excited? Pretty much the reason why we picked these up is because Martin did get a new motor, and we've been just so MIA this past month, and there's just so much things going on in static. I'm not gonna go too much into detail, but it's just too much things going on. That's all I'm gonna say. And honestly, 2019, as much as we wanted to say it was gonna be our year for hitting 10K and just all these things, it's just been horrible. Everything's been going wrong. Gonzo, his car, just destroyed. Martin, obviously his motor was taking a shit. My E30 is in the shop getting a new quarter panel installed, so no more rust. And I'm really excited for that, but it's just been taking a while, so I haven't even been able to record that or even talk about it. But once we get it, I'm definitely gonna talk about it because it's gonna be a really nice project. After the quarter panel, now I can finally start modding it and just doing what I want, because the rust is something I definitely wanted to take care of at first. And it's just crazy because it's something that I'm starting from the bottom. Every single build I had, the car was already in good condition. And with this car, it's kind of like Martin. Both have pieces of shit now. My car didn't pass smog, and I needed to get it registered, and it turns out that the fucking guy who smogged it used the wrong adapter on my gas cap, and I was the one who found that out, so I was pissed. My car, my E46, got a ticket for an exhaust, and we did get pulled over before. It was the campus cop, and honestly, it just really sucks because my car isn't even that loud, and I'm probably the quietest in the group, and that's what trips me out. No one ever stops or questions my car because it's not that loud. I mean, it's bone stock besides a filter, and I mean, I don't purposely rev it around school. I definitely need to fix it, but I just need to find a stock exhaust here that I can buy for dirt cheap, because I really don't want to drive like 3 hours away to go pick up an exhaust. We've been driving really far for pretty much everything that we've bought so far. And that's why we haven't really made videos picking up certain parts, because I just don't want to keep making videos of us driving and driving. It's the same repetitive bullshit. But yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys an update that my E30 finally passed smog. We're good on that. The quarter panel is going to be done really soon, so I'm finally going to be a little happier that it's back home. Our moods have just been really low, and it's just, I'm not motivated to do anything right now with YouTube and Instagram, and obviously I'm not going to stop making videos. I just needed a break from everything. We're trying to stay positive and definitely send messages to Gonzo. We do have a GoFundMe. I'm not telling you guys have to donate, but we do have a GoFundMe, and I'll link it down below. I started it just to help him out because with the whole insurance thing after that, since obviously it was someone else who crashed it, he hasn't gotten really any updates, and obviously, you know how insurance agents are. They're not going to play easy with you. So hopefully he does get his money, but he's not gonna get the money that he put into the car, including the car. If anything, he's just gonna get, you know, what the car's worth on Kelly Blue Book, which that motor was really healthy even for being that high of a mileage, and all the mods that we did and all the time and effort that we spent on that car. An update on my dad's car, unfortunately it did get in an accident. Someone rear-ended him, and I don't want to touch it because I don't want to, you know, chip away at the paint, but it's all cracked all along here. So he did get in an accident. Obviously Gonzo's car, my mom actually got in an accident the same day that my dad did, so it's fucking really weird, and it's really weird what's going on. The garage queen is still safe because he doesn't drive it. This is the garage so far. It looks really nice. I like how he set this up because now it's gonna be really easy to grab all of our tools.
Hey, for my G. What are you guys holding out?
I don't know.
Is this even, I don't even know what brand that is.
eBay. It's for looks, bro.
Put that right back.
The last thing he did was actually install this sink because he is gonna have running water. He has this to dry our hands and wash our hands because we cannot get these white. Oh shit, I almost fell, bro.
That's why we gotta clean it. Look at it. Saved you.
The way it's set up right now, it looks really nice. I have some parts for the E30 here. I have a Broadway mirror. I have some stickers and stuff. So I'm just saving up a bunch of little parts here and there. But as you can see, just a bunch of parts that we haven't installed or we've already installed.
If you guys want me to be part of the podcast, I wasn't going to be. But if you guys want me to be part of it, comment down below and I'll make the effort to come in and be part of it. It's up to you guys. Cause me, I can do.
It's because he's pretty much,
really,
he works, yeah,
really
he works
busy,
all the time. A lot more than all of us in Static, so.
Probably combined.
Yeah.
I work like 6 days a week.
Sometimes 16 hours, so it's insane.
Sometimes do double shifts once a week. But it's fine. That's for the car, that's for you guys. But let me know about the podcast thing.
Yeah. So.
I'll kill myself for you guys. Figuratively.
It's been a while since I picked up a camera, and I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep recording for you guys and keep you guys updated, but just work, life, everything's just biting all of us in the ass. But we definitely have a lot of things coming, especially with Martin's car. You guys are gonna see so much videos of Martin's car because we're gonna be building that thing. It's finally time we do something about it. We're gonna clean everything up and then we're gonna head to Martin's house so we can show you guys the new motor and pretty much how it looks and what parts he has saved up. Still not gonna reveal the wrap color because he has it sitting around. He's had it for months since he got the car. But yeah, right now we're just gonna clean up and then we'll be right back. We finally got to Martin's house. This is his little shack. He lives right there.
I live in there. Send me food.
Why do you park so close to your room, Martin?
Because I don't care.
This is a little sneak peek of the motor. He's just gonna check how much coolant he has left because we're gonna have to talk about what's been going on, and if it does have a little bit of coolant, we'll add water and then drive it to a spot, a more open spot.
Here we go.
Not so loud, what the fuck? That's so loud. That is so loud. It sounds really good though.
Yeah. Spit water.
Cold start. Condensation. It is leaking coolant, so we're definitely not gonna take it to my house because it is about like a 25-minute drive.
The radiator is done for. It should give us enough to do a pull or two, maybe 3.
And just pull over around.
I did fill it. It was half a gallon low, which they normally fill with what, 3 gallons?
Yeah, around there.
I think they fill with 3 gallons, so half is not bad. I'll just fill it again next time we go to Danny's and actually replace it. Yeah, the car's a little low.
Okay, so now that we finally pulled over in the abandoned warehouse, this would be a good shoot. We bought our cars over here. It's a little windy. Anyways, this car has had a lot of problems all around, but obviously we were expecting that. And Martin luckily found a motor with, how much miles?
88,600 miles.
And it was full bolt-on. So it had, obviously he kept some parts because Martin didn't need them. So he has an intake that we're gonna upgrade, so don't worry about that. Big auto body panel spacer. It does have headers now. I don't know if you can see. Ooh, you can see in there. It looks pretty nice. All right, let me go away from the wind now that I'm here in the building. But since it is leaking, it's a good opportunity for us to do another cool video. We did order a Mishimoto radiator with the racing thermostat, so that's gonna look real nice on his car. And we got some goodies that Marian's pulling up right now. So we are planning on going E85, as we mentioned. That's why we picked up the GTR fuel injectors. And that is a Walboro, I believe it's a 485. I'll have it down below. It's the fuel pump that's capable of having E85, up to 600 horsepower or something. We're being NA, so we're not gonna really push that much. We did get
air to fuel ratio gauge. That way I know if it's running good or not.
Especially since we're gonna get a bigger intake. And then this one is
the oil pressure gauge. That way I know that the car isn't running low oil pressure, which you don't want to ever run.
Especially since the last motor did. These are the only two that we have so far, and then he has the gauge pod. I wanted to actually do it a cleaner look and have it with the center console, but all of them were really expensive. This is a little race car look if you want to go for that. We can always swap it out later.
And of course the GTR fuel injectors.
So that's gonna be pretty sick. We do want to crack 300 wheel, definitely. And the only other thing that we need is test pipes, because cats are really restrictive, and that's probably the biggest setback to gain power actually. So that's definitely something that he needs to change. We're finally back at the house, and this is probably the first time in about 3 weeks. What the fuck?
Stock pedals.
Oh yeah, I forgot we were gonna do that. That looks so much nicer, holy shit. Back to what I was saying. This car hasn't been in the driveway for about like 3 weeks, and it's been raining a lot, so I don't even care. This is how the stock pedals look. It's honestly just a cover that you can remove, just like how Martin did on the other one. And this one is actually grooved in, as you can see, the brake pedal. But pretty much you have to put it like this, and then you just drill through. And we are using these self-tappet screws, which are pretty tiny, and we're probably just gonna put on each corner. And this one, I don't even think you remove this piece itself, you just screw over, which is probably what I'm gonna do. But as you can see already, it looks a lot better by putting them on like that. So I'm just gonna drill them through on each corner, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. It's good to just have one in, and then pretty much just align it wherever you want, just so you don't have it like two to the left, to the right, and just have it perfect. And then you can continue drilling the other screws. It does look really nice just because it complements the silver. If it was like wood or a different color, I don't know how I'd feel about it, but it just looks right at home. It honestly looks OEM, and it does complement my new shift knob that I have.
You know how girls take like 50 photos just to get that good angle? Danny takes about 150 to get good angles of his car. Deny it, I dare you.
It looks sick though, tell me not.
Yeah,
it does look really nice.
Good. Let's see. I know he already showed you, but it's fine.
It looks dope, dude. I don't know. I like it.
It works with the car.
Subtle.
It works with the car.
The interior just looks fucking amazing. That's pretty much an update on what we've been doing. Like I said, I've just been dealing with a lot of school stuff, work, since I got a new job. I don't work at Target. Fuck, dude, I hate that place.
So bad.
A lot of things going on with static right now. Gonzo's car, his car breaking down, obviously the radiator, so that was an issue. Could have been here, we could have been working on installing gauges and shit. But we are going to be getting it ready for E85, which is going to be pretty dope because I haven't installed fuel injectors before. So we're going to be doing that and showing you guys a video. And obviously when I get the E30 back, I'm going to start sanding it because we are going to paint it. So that's going to be pretty dope to do that. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.